So about 4-ish months ago, I made a video detailing why I hadn't revisited the StrikePack FPS Dominator in over a year and a half. In that video, I talked a lot of shit, and I detailed my absolutely horrible experience with the first mod pack, which I actually have over here. See that shit? In response to that video, Collective Minds emailed me and corrected a few things I had gotten wrong about the button mapping, which was my bad, but they did admit that there were a lot of problems with the Dominator. So, not only did they offer to send me a brand new Dominator, they also offered the StrikePack Eliminator. So I'm going to unbox both of these today. I'll have reviews up on probably this one first, the Dominator, and then the Eliminator. I don't exactly know when. It shouldn't be too long after this video is released, though. I suppose for old time's sake, we'll start off with the Dominator because this boxing is like flimsy as shit. Where's my knife? I'd also like to give a huge shout out to Collective Minds for sending these out. This isn't sponsored. I don't feel like I should have to say that, but I do. It isn't sponsored, but there's gonna be that little thing in the corner. It's like, paid promotion, fuck you, YouTube. I can't put sponsored product or anything else, just include some paid promotion. I'm not getting paid. If you get a sponsored product, you gotta put that in the fucking video. Suck my wiener. See, guys, I can't cuss because every little boy in the tech community sit there and bitch and whine about it like they're my fucking dad. Alright, so we open up the ting here, and we got this, cord. I like this cord. And then we yeet this out of the... Alright, you got your instructions and other things down below. So the plastic piece, you have your piece of resistance. I swear to fucking God, if this one breaks too, I'm gonna be pissed. Alright, mod pass thingy, which I don't 100% know what that is. A warranty card. Collective Minds Gaming Co. warrants this product to be free from defects in materials and workmanship under normal use for the period of 90 days from the purchase, as evidenced by the purchase receipts. During the warranty period, Collective Minds Gaming Co. will repair or replace the product if defective. 3-month warranty. I literally just had a video about warranties and why I don't like 3-month warranties, but yeah, Okay, so for those who don't know, how these mod packs work. I'm just going to go over this real quick before we get into the Eliminator. But how these mod packs work is you pop your bottom piece off, pop your batteries out, you throw this in where your batteries usually go, you take this little USB plug thing, plug it in, and then it comes with a cord. It's like a custom cord that actually fits in here. I know what these cords are. Oh, they changed it. So when I got mine, my cord was like dinky and cheap. This is... Yo. Alright, so this little Velcro thing is for cable management, and my Power 8 Fusion... Motherfuck. My Power 8 Fusion Pro has the exact same thing, but this is kind of different. Oh, it like comes off. Yo, that's dope. I don't really like these Velcro things. Razer has this thing, which is like rubber, and it wraps around, and then there's like this little thing that you put through the holes. And I think it's a lot easier because this Velcro shit gets caught on everything. But this cord's extremely nice, and I did take a peek at the Eliminator before I unboxed it, and this is the exact same cord. This is really high quality. I like this. Alright, but now that we have the Dominator out of the way, let's take a look at the Eliminator. I've heard mixed reviews about the Eliminator. People have told me that it works really well. I've had it for 8 months, 9 months, and then I had a slew of people tell me it's dog shit, doesn't work, came out of the box defective, cord broke, this, that, or the other. So I will have 1 month, 3 month, and 6 month updates on these, just like I do with all my other controllers. That is dope. Wow, they even have this bitch taped inside. Stop! We can help you. Don't go back to the store and get a fucking refund, please. So you got your Eliminator in here, and then you just... I keep dropping everything. And then you got your cord, which isn't in a case this time. Looks like this one's a little bit different. Actually, no, I don't believe they are. Nope. They're the exact same cord. But again, in the back of the box, you also have mod pass. Actually, this... No. Warranty card. 90 days again. I guess this is some type of manual, but there's like a bunch of fucking manuals. Why is there like 8? Oh, they're all in different languages. English. That looks to be Spanish. These both look Spanish to me. I think, no wait, that's French. That's French. See, I'm stupid. I'm not gonna go too deep into this because this is an unboxing video, obviously. But like the mapping mechanism, hold on, let me drop in shit as always. Okay, so they got like 4 button mapping things here, and then they have the buttons down here. They're kind of hard to press, to be honest. I don't know. I'm not reviewing this right now. Not reviewing this right now. Like I said, they'll be after this video at some point in the very, very very, very close future. Where does this go in at? You got to kind of force it on, which, and it works the exact same way as the Dominator. You just plug it into your controller right there with that little cord, and then you plug in your actual USB controller. Wow, this is dope. So yeah, that's the unboxing experience. I'll leave links to both in the description. The StrikePack FPS Dominator is $35, and I believe the Eliminator is $40. Although I will say this one thing. I did think that these were rubber, these little diamond grip texture things. They're not. It's all plastic, but to be honest, I don't mind it all that much. This thing actually does feel pretty comfortable. All right, that's all you guys get. I'll have the reviews out soon. I'll be doing the Dominator first and then the Eliminator because the Dominator is the main boy on the channel here. So like the asshole that I am, I forgot my members. I'm sorry. The biggest of shoutouts to the Ballin' Boy, JG, Crazy B, Waterless, Heberbrine3, D, Jacques, and Ra. And by the way, PC Master Race boys, I did upload my first behind-the-scenes, like, YouTube schedule thing on the 29th. That's just for you guys, and hopefully next month we can do something a little more exciting. I love you boys, and I appreciate you more than anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to drop this video a fat freaking like and a fat freaking subscription, because we're trying to hit like 10 million before the end of the year. I'm pretty sure we could, if a miracle, okay? A miracle. Like, all the stars in the universe would have to line up in the exact same line for that shit to happen, but we'll try. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.